Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are going to solve this question, that is find the volume of the solid obtained by rotating the region bounded by the given curves about the specified line. So basically we have to draw this line, this line, this line and this line, and the region bounded by these four lines, we have to rotate that region about the x-axis and we have to find the volume of the region that is obtained. So I have already drawn the graph, that is this line is y is equal to x plus 1, means this intercept is 0, 1 and this is minus 1, 0, and we know that x-axis equation will be y is equal to 0 and y-axis equation will be x is equal to 0. And this line is x is equal to 4. So basically the green region is the area under the curve, and if we will rotate this region around x-axis, then definitely it will be just like a frustum, because this is the smaller radius and this is the bigger radius. So we will find the volume by using disk method. So disk method, basically it will be pi of fy whole square minus gy whole square, and we have to integrate these both functions with respect to x, and limit is from a to b. So we can set the limit are from 0, 0 to 4, 0. So limit of x are from 0 to 4. So we can write the value of a as 0 and b as 4, and the value of fx will be, we can write this as x plus 1, because this is the upper curve, and what is the lower curve? Lower curve is the x-axis. So equation of x-axis is gx is equal to 0, because y is equal to 0. So now by putting the value in the above formula for disk method, 0 to 4, this will be x plus 1 whole square minus 0 square, and we have to integrate this with respect to x. Then we have to find the volume by using simple definite integral. So it is basically pi, so it will become x plus 1 to the power 3 divided by 3, and the limit are from 0 to 4. So if we will put the upper limit, what we will get? We will get 125 divided by 3, because it will become 4 plus 1, 5 to the whole cube, and then if we will put 0, it will become 1 by 3. So if we will solve this, it will become 1 to 4 pi divided by 3, and 1 to 4 is not divided by 3 fully, so we will leave it here. So basically the volume of the solid will be 124 pi divided by 3. So it is the volume of the solid, and this is the final answer that we have to put in the box that is given above. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this step-by-step solution, then please share it with your friends so that they can also learn from this. And if you have any doubt, then please visit my website or drop your queries in the comment section below, and I will be happy to answer all your queries. Thank you very much.